All right, those corners took, this one of course is the bottom, so I'm not concerned. But they kind of really messed that up by sanding it. But so I put what did I put on here? A mahogany oil. And I'm going to put this dark walnut on this, and these two. Should look pretty good. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Come on, focus. So I'm leaving this for the last because I've got to match this color with this. And then of course that's got to go on the top. So the top needs the color, that needs the color. I will do that tomorrow. I'm going to let this dry overnight because then I can put tape over it. But right now it's oiled and it's wet, so looking good. Golden oak for the win. Wow, that actually turned out way better than I thought it was. I'll give it one more light coat tomorrow. And then I will give it a lacquer, just a lacquer spray. But what a difference. And this was the side that they started on. So you can kind of, I don't know, the angle kind of, I need a light here facing that way, but let go. Yeah, it's too dark in this corner, but you almost can't even see where they stopped sanding. Sweet.